use Simpson's rule to find the area generated by the following integral using 8 strips. Alright, so what we are going to do is use the formula for Simpson's rule and generate a table for this. So the formula for Simpson's rule, we have this being a formula that we'll be using. So it's integral, the integral 1/3 h first plus last plus 4 times the odd strips plus 2 times the even strips. Alright? H is b minus a over n. Alright, so in this case, I want to find out what h is. H, b minus a over n. In this case, what we have? 5 minus 1 over the number of strips over 8. We want to see how wide the strips will be. It is 4 over 8, which is 0.5. So just make a note over here. H will be equal to 0.5. Alright? That will be the width of the strips. Now, let us make our table. We have what we have here. These are the values that we will be putting in the table. We have our x values and our y values. Alright? So here now, we have our x being 1. When x is 1, 1 cube is going to be just 1. Then, when x is 1.5, what is y going to be? 1.5 cube. Let's just use our calculator and work them out. So 1.5 raised to the power of 3 equals 3.375. Alright, so we have 3.375. Then our next value is going to be 2. Because we keep adding adding 0.5, right? So from 2 cube is 8. Then 2.5. What is 2.5 cube? Let's find out. So 2.5 raised to the power of 3 equal 15.625. Well, 15.625. Then next value is 3. 3 cube is 27. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Then the next value is 3.5. And we calculate 3.5 cube. 3.5. Do that again. So we have 3.5 raised to the power of 3 equal 42.875. 42.875. 42.875. Let's continue our table. I have to extend our table so we have more values. Then we have 4. 4, 4, 16. 16, 4 is 64. Then 4.5. What is 4.5 cube? 4.5 raised to the power of 3 equals 91.125. We have 91.125. Oh, 4.5 should go there. So we have 4.5 and 91.125. And then we have the last value, 5, and when you cube 5, you get 125. Alright, so we have all our values there. Right? So here you can consider this as y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we have 9 strips here. Let me see. 1. Okay. Not really. Well, not 9 strips. It's really 8 strips, because we would have had, if we had the graph like this, right, and we had the curve or something, so it would be strip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this will be strip 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 1 to 1.5, and to 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and then 5. Strips would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strips. These are the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines, but we have 8 strips between them. Right. So now, let's look at the formula for Simpson's rule, our formula sheet. So, the integral of y dx equals, so the integral from 1 to 5 of x, what was it again? Of x cubed dx is approximately equal to, right, 1/3 times, so it's 1/3 times h, which is 0.5 times, all right, y0 plus yn. So here, it calls them y0, but this is the first and then the last strip. All right. Now, the thing is, if you have y cubed and then you have 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Let me redraw that one. 4.5 and then 5. Right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strips. We calls them Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8. Right? That's why it has them like that. So Y0. That's where we start. So conforming to the formula sheet, let's relabel these. Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8. Alright? Now, let's just erase this graph because it will be in the way. So 1/3 times 0.5 times what we have is they use a curly bracket, so let's use that. Then inside this curly bracket we have Y0 plus Yn, which is the first Y plus the last Y, Y8, which is 125. Then we have plus 4 times. 4 times what? 4 times the odd numbered values. So Y1, which would be 3.375 plus, not the odd value, not the odd numbered value, the sum of the odd numbered value, I should say. Then plus Y3, which is 15.625 plus Y5 is 42.875 plus Y7, which is 91.125. Oh, 91.125. Alright, so you see that. And after that, plus 2 times the even number strips. So you say plus 2 times the even number strips. So Y2, which is 8. We have 8 plus Y4, which is 27. 27 plus Y6, which is 64. Alright? And then, of course, you close your bracket. Now, here, what you're going to have now is 1/3 times 0.5, which is half, times 126 plus 4 times. Now we're going to sum up these things. Let's sum them up using our calculator. We have 3.375 plus 15.625 plus 42.875 plus 91.125 equals 153. They add up to 153, so it's 4 by 153 plus 2 times. So we sum up the even strips now. Alright, so this is going to be going to be 8 plus 27 plus 64 equals 99. Right? We have 99. And then we close our bracket. So it's approximately equal to, so we continue our calculation. 1/3 by a half is 1/6 times. Alright. At this. So 126 plus 4 is going to be 130 plus 1. This is 126 plus 4. Oh my. Something wrong here. Yeah, it's 126. Plus 4 times 153 is what I should have here. So 4 times 153 equals 612. $612 minus, and then 2 times 99, that's 198. Alright? So, what we get? Let's finish it up. Finish up that calculation now. We get 100. Yeah, we get 126 plus 612 minus 198 equal 540 times 1/6 is the same as dividing by 6 equal 90. We have 90 as our answer. 90 units cubed, cubic units. Now, what we had was the integral from 1 to 5 of x cubed dx. Integral from 1 to 5 of x cubed dx. Let us do the integration directly and see what we get. So this is x to the 4th over 4 from 1 to 5. This is going to be 5 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 1 to the power of 4 over 4. Alright? Then what is 5 to the power of 4? Five raised to the power of 4 equals 625. Right? So it's going to be equal 625 over 4 minus a quarter. Now, this of course will be the same as 625 minus 1 over 4, which is 624 divided by 4. What is 624 over 4? You say 4 into 4, 1. 624 over 4. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 6. We go 1 time. and 2. Mm-hmm. 4 into 20. Oh, something went wrong here. Let us see. To 5. 5 raised to the power of 4 over 4. Let me make sure everything is okay with it. It's 4 times the odd, 2 times the even. Oh, my. Why did I put plus here? Huh? The formula said minus, and I put plus. It should be plus here. That was a mistake. Let me just redo that part again. So what I have, 126 plus 612 plus 198 equal, and that over 6 equal 156. So it should be 156 cubic units, not 90. Alright, back to this now. I'm saying 624 over 4. And 6 into 22. So we say 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 6 is 1 time. 2 remaining. Put the 2 here. 4 into 22 goes 4, 5, 20. Goes 5 times, leaving 2. 4 into 24 goes 6 times. Right, so it's 156. 624 over 4 is 156. Units, cubic units. In this case, we got the exact value. In most cases, you won't get the exact value with Simpson's rule, but you should get very close to it. Alright, so that's it for this. See you in the next video.